Today on the menu is this air-fried curried half chicken with English pea puree and a warm potato salad. It's a wonderful spring lunch and yields some pretty useful leftovers, that is, if anything is there to be left. Let's dive into the recipe. First up, you're going to break down the half chicken by separating the breast from the chest bone all the way down to the leg. Make a small cut by the hip to remove the thigh meat, then separate the thigh meat from the joint and make a clean slice down the skin to keep as much of it intact as possible. Repeat this for the other half of the chicken as well. To a mortar, you're going to add in the celery seed, dried thyme, dried rosemary, garlic flakes, madras curry, and kosher salt, then finely grind it down. Season the top of the half chicken skin with the custom curry mix, dress with olive oil, and give it a good massage. Cook your chicken in the air fryer for around 30 minutes or until golden brown and the internal temperature reaches about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Using fresh English peas, you're going to blanch them in boiling salted water until very tender but still vibrant. Strain from the boiling water and quickly submerge them in ice water to keep the color very bright. Blend the peas on high speed with a bit of water and season with salt and a splash of olive oil to taste. Cover and reserve this in the fridge until you're ready to use. Next, you're going to slice up the Yukon Gold potatoes into large chunks, then dress with olive oil and season with salt, dried thyme, garlic flakes, and thinly sliced lemon. Once that's done, you're going to remove the chicken from the air fryer and replace it with the seasoned potatoes. Cook these for about 15 minutes or until crispy and tender. Cover your chicken with some foil and allow it to rest while the potatoes cook. When the potatoes are finished cooking, add them to a bowl, pour the drippings right over the top, season with fresh chopped dill or fennel and whole Greek yogurt. Give this a good mix and it's time to plate. Now you're going to heat up the pea puree to order to keep it green and make a well on the plate with it. Top that with the warm potato salad and finally the roasted curried chicken. Drizzle some of those curry drippings right around the plate and this chicken dish is finished. This is an all-around fantastic spring and summer forward dish that holds up very well throughout the year, especially with fresh salads, and it gets all the curry cravings taken care of. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you did, like, subscribe, and drop a comment, and I'll see you guys next time with another dish. Later, folks.